वीडियो बना दो आप.
Job very well done. Congratulations to the proud parents. Maths week and Maths week begins with a bang. First prize, my God. And a lot of prizes to be won this week if you give your 100%. Maths department, today is a very special day. What is special today, children? Maths week and Maths week begins with a bang. First prize, my God. And a lot of prizes to be won this week. If you give your 100%, you will get a lot of prizes and medal and certificates. All the very best to the Maths department and all the very best to all students from classes 1 to 10. Looking forward for a wonderful week. Thank you so much.
The concept of mental and arithmetic system. So one of your child, like one of the student from Wilbur school, that is Soumya Sharma, he has participated in a state level competition 2022. Okay, so this competition was for all the students of Uttarakhand. So more than 500 students have participated in the competition. And our student Soumya Sharma, he was given 200 questions of maths, which was he supposed to do in 8 minutes only. Can you imagine? If somebody gives you 200 questions of mathematics and then you have to solve in only 8 minutes, but he did it. He did it by his 100%. He took 8 minutes and there was one more competition, oral competition, in which the teacher was supposed to speak question in full speed. Teacher spoke questions and Soumya was the one who answered them as quick he did. Okay, so one special clap which you have done for Soumya Sharma was very